Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something iconic, something that roars with American muscle, wrapped in chrome and attitude. Yes, we're talking about Harley Davidson. Now, while most think of Harley-curious as a motorcycle brand, it represents more than just two wheels and a loud exhaust. It's a lifestyle, a symbol of freedom on the open road. So in this video, we're giving you an in-depth review of a Harley Davidson cruiser, looking at its design, ride quality, performance, and price, and asking, is it still worth the hype in today's market? Let's start with the exterior because let's be honest, Harleys are as much about looks as they are about performance. Whether you're looking at the Street Glide, the Fat Boy, or the Heritage Classic, each model screams personality. These aren't your average cruisers. They have a commanding presence. A Harley doesn't just blend into traffic, it dominates it. The sculpted fuel tanks, oversized front forks, chrome-laden exhaust pipes, and classic teardrop-shaped headlights, it's like looking at a piece of mechanical art. Each Harley is designed with meticulous attention to detail. From the matte black finishes on the Sportster models to the polished chrome on the Road King, the paint quality and finish are top-notch. You get custom-style designs straight out of the factory, which means even without modifications, these bikes turn heads. The alloy wheels, low-slung profile, and aggressive stance all contribute to that unmistakable Harley silhouette. This is a bike that doesn't whisper, it growls, even when parked. Now, onto the part you don't see until you swing a leg over, the interior experience. Now, of course, it's not a car interior with seats and cup holders, but the cockpit of a Harley is still a space designed for comfort and control. The saddle is crafted to support long-distance riding. On models like the Road Glide or Electra Glide, you get wide, cushioned seats that are perfect for touring, with options for passenger backrests and even heated grips. The seat height is low, which gives riders more control, especially when stopped or maneuvering at low speeds. Then there's the instrument cluster. Harley has moved from analog dials to full-color touchscreen infotainment systems on its touring bikes. You can control your navigation, music, phone calls, all with glove-friendly buttons or voice commands. Bluetooth connectivity, built-in GPS, and even compatibility with Apple CarPlay on newer models make the tech feel surprisingly modern. It's the kind of fusion between old-school design and new-school tech that keeps Harley relevant. Storage. Touring Harleys offer hard saddlebags with plenty of space for gear, groceries, or a weekend trip. The latches are smooth and lockable. Plus, with optional luggage racks and tank bags, you can seriously kit these bikes out for adventure. And despite the rugged design, the ride itself can be incredibly refined, thanks to adjustable suspension systems, heated handgrips, and advanced rider assist tech like cornering abs and traction control. But let's talk about where Harley Davidsons have always drawn a line in the pavement: performance. At the heart of it all are Harley's famous V-Twin engines. The Milwaukee-Eight 114 and 117 cubic inch engines deliver torque like a freight train. Twist the throttle and the power surge is immediate and raw. These engines are built not just for speed, but for character. The rumble, the shake, the deep exhaust note, it's visceral. You don't just ride a Harley. You feel it. Cruising on the highway feels effortless. The gear shifts are smooth, the throttle response is precise, and the low-end torque gives you a ton of pull right from the start. If you're a fan of spirited riding or long road trips, Harley has you covered. Models like the Sportster S even take a step toward sport bike territory, delivering quicker handling and a lighter frame for more agile city rides. Handling-wise, modern Harleys have come a long way. While they're still heavier than your average naked bike or dual sport, Harley's improved chassis design and weight distribution make them surprisingly manageable in corners. Add to that improved brakes, slipper clutches, and electronic cruise control, and what you get is a machine that balances raw tradition with modern-day usability. And of course, all of this comes at a cost. Harleys aren't cheap, and they're not meant to be. You're buying into a premium segment. The base price for a Harley Davidson Iron 883 starts around $11,000. A mid-range Fat Bob or Lowrider ST will cost you about $18,000 to $22,000. And if you're eyeing a top-of-the-line Street Glide Special or Road Glide Limited, you're pushing into $30,000 territory, and that's before you start adding custom parts and accessories, which Harley is famous for. Is it worth it? If you're looking for practicality and fuel efficiency, a Harley might not be your best choice. But if you're after style, legacy, road presence, and that unmistakable rumble, few bikes come close. Harley Davidson isn't just a brand. It's a statement. And while the market is crowded with new bikes offering slick tech and performance at lower prices, Harley still holds a place that's hard to replicate. So whether you're a die-hard enthusiast or just Harley-curious, there's no denying the impact these bikes have had on the motorcycle world, and continue to have today. That wraps up our deep dive Harley Davidson review. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest, detailed looks at legendary machines, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride loud. Let me know if you'd like this tailored to a specific Harley model like the Street Glide, Sportster S, or Fat Boy, or if you want to adjust the tone for a more casual or cinematic delivery.